Now discuss about Tikka disease of groundnut. First, discuss about occurrence, symptoms, structure of mycelium, reproduction of Tikka disease of groundnut. Systematic position of this causal organism. Causal organism Cercospora. Systematic position of Cercospora division Amestigomycota, subdivision Deuteromycotina, class Deuteromycetes, order Moniliates, family Dimaceae, genus Cercospora. Now, occurrence of this causal organism. Cercospora is a saprophytic as well as parasitic fungus. It is a parasite of many plants like rice, groundnut, cotton, minthi, tomato, potato, sweet potato, brinjal and chili, etc. It infects all these plants and causes a disease called leaf spot disease. That means Tikka disease is also known as leaf spot disease. The leaf spot disease of groundnut caused by this fungus is called the Tikka disease. The Tikka disease is very common in all the groundnut, botanical name Arachis hypogeum. There are two species of Cercospora causing the Tikka disease of groundnut, that is Cercospora personata and Cercospora arachidicola. Now discuss about symptoms of this Tikka disease of groundnut. The symptoms of the Tikka disease are seen on the leaves of 2-3 months old groundnut plants. They appear in the form of pale green spots on the upper surface of the leaves. Look at this. These are the spots appear on the upper surface of the leaves. They appear in the form of pale green spots on the upper surface of the leaves. The spots gradually turn yellow and brown. The Cercospora personata forms dark brown to black, small circular regular spots on the lower surface of the leaves. The Cercospora arachidicola forms reddish brown large irregular spots on the upper surface of the leaves. The spots appear light brown in color on the lower surface of leaf. So these are the symptoms of Tikka disease of groundnut. Now let us discuss about the structure of mycelium. The mycelium of Cercospora is a filamentous, branched, septate, multicellular, brown to black in color. It is inter or intracellular. The hyphal cells of the mycelium have double-layered cell wall. The cell wall is made up of a fungal cellulose chitin. The protoplasm of the cells contains a single nucleus and cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, mitochondria, etc. It also contains reserved food material in the form of glycogen, fats and oils. So these are the structure of mycelium. Now let us discuss about reproduction. Cercospora reproduces asexual only. The sexual reproduction takes place by the formation of asexual spores called conidia. During the process of formation of conidia, the mycelium accumulates, becomes compact and forms a brown to black colored mass called stroma below the host epidermis. The stroma gives rise to a tuft of short, septate, erect, unbranched, geniculate or knee-like hyphae called the conidiophores. The tuft of conidiophores below the epidermis is called acervillus. The conidiophores are dark brown to black in color. The conidiophore gives rise to the conidia at the tip. They grow continuously by pushing the conidia on lateral sides. Thus, many conidia are developed on a single conidiophore. When the conidia mature, they fall down, leaving scars on the conidiophores. The mature conidia are long and cylindrical, round at the base and tapering towards the apex. They are straight or slightly curved. Here, this is the difference in between these two types. They are straight or slightly curved. They are septate, multicellular and hyaline to ash gray or brown in color. The septa varies from 3 to 15. The mature conidia detached from the conidiophores and carried by the wind. When they fall on another suitable healthy plant of groundnut, they germinate by putting outside a germ tube. The germ tube enters into the host tissue through the stomata. It grows further and develops into a new mycelium of Cercospora. Here, this is the reproduction of Cercospora.